Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be replacing the window trim in this 1990 D150, and I'll show you the tools that I'll use and the strategy that I'll use and what it looks like before and after. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. So let's start with the first thing. Why am I replacing the window trim on this truck? Well, as we can see, this truck is 30 years old and the seal has disintegrated, broken, and I bought a new set for both sides of the truck, and that way water and snow and stuff like that won't get in between and rust the doors out. This is the passenger side. It is ready for retirement. So now that we diagnosed the problem, what we're going to do is start replacing these seals. And the first thing we got to do is roll the windows down. Just grab it apart like so and pull up. Probably was a better way, but it's out now, so. And you want to make sure you don't mess up. This one's not bad. You want to make sure you don't mess up the window. And as we can see, the clips stayed with it, so that's a good thing. Okay, now let's put the new ones in. Looks good to me. What do you guys think? So this is what it'll look like when the channels are out. You can see the holes where the clips go in. This is the old one. Here is the new one. See how it's got all that beef on it now? So this will be easier to go in for sure. I like the velvet too. That's cool. This one had velvet, but no longer. Alright, so before I continue to install this, I wanted to take note. When you're pulling the channels out, it's probably best to get your tool, whatever you're using to pull the channel out, the trim, is to get it where the clips are. And you can see it on the new one. The new one already has the clips installed. So now, also I did buy a set for the inside and out on both sides. That door panel's off because I gotta take that window motor gear out, which will be a video coming soon. So now I believe this should be as simple as pushing this into the groove until it clicks. That one went in really easy, kind of scary easy. Wow, that's gonna look great when it's done. But anyways, so you have this clip that's got to go into that hole on all of them. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I will get back with you guys. Okay, now time for the other side. Okay, so this side is going to be the exact same as the other one. I don't know if this helps or not, but what I'm doing is, I'm not sure if this helps or not, but what I'm doing is I'm installing it at an angle, okay? So I'm installing it like this for this side, and this one I installed like this, just to make sure these clips here go where they need to go in the holes. I don't know if that'll help you or not on your journey to installing your own window channels, or if you're just here watching and enjoying the entertainment I'm providing. Okay. Hey guys, well, as we can see, I have the door panel off now, and the reason I'm putting this in this video is because, as we can see here, my track is completely rusted through, which means I gotta buy a new track. And I'm guessing that's the same on this side. I can't even get that window down. So I guess I got more work than I thought I did. That's okay. That is okay with me. So it looks like I might either be buying a new track for the window, or I don't know if I want to glue it down. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But I installed this track here, and it looks like this side is popping up, so I gotta see what I did wrong. Maybe the this clamp needs to be pinched in more. I'll try that and then get back with you guys. The window is working fine now. And it is nice and sealed. So that's how it is done. And as we can see, there's no way for any sort of water or anything to get in between, which is what we want. So there you go. It was a pretty simple project. Hopefully you guys got some information out of this video. I think I am going to end this one here. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Way more work than I thought I needed with this one, but you know, it is what it is. That's why we get into these old cars and see what needs to be done to them and give them love and get them back on the road again. That's what my channel's all about. So if you like this content, please leave me a like. If you found something that would have been easier for me to do, let me know in the comments. And if you like old cars and seeing old cars get back on the road again, go ahead and subscribe. You know, I'll try to get videos out every week, but I'm working full time too, so I got to balance everything out. So anyways, this is there's plenty of more videos I'm going to be doing with this truck. So is it going to be worth it? Probably not. But you know, I'm at this point where I want to see this truck on the road again. So we'll see. Thanks guys.